Hello friends, a quick update on the ginger harvest. So this is how much we got from 4 pots like this that was planted. We got these ginger pots, organic pots from Costco. We got them to sprout like this, and once it had really good sprouts, that's when we planted them indoors in a pot. And once it was summer, we planted them outside, and they were thriving really well. And sometime in the fall, when the temperature dropped, we got them inside. It was looking really gorgeous in here, just like any other house plant. And as the temperature dropped and time passed, the stalks went brown. And once it started browning, we stopped putting water, and it kind of we gave the pods to dry up, and instead of being bulky, and they dried up, and it smells amazing now. These are the roots that was connecting these. These are also edible. It's very gingery. We'll be using them in our teas and in our curries. And these are all the ginger that we got from 4 such pots. And we have pots now available for sale. These sprouted ginger pots that should be easily be planted and ready for growing. So this is almost the sprouts. We planted them in the sprout station for almost a month. This is the output from 1 month growth in the sprout station. And after 10 months, ta-da! So if you have any questions, don't forget to let us know over comments below. And happy harvesting. Bye.